I'm James, and I'm going to show you how to factor easy problems. First, you need to recognize the problem as a difference of squares. Next, you need to find the square root of both of the values. The square root of b squared is equal to b. The square root of 225 equals 15. Now you want to set down two sets of parentheses. One here, one here. One will have a plus in it, the other will have a minus in it. And you want to put the values going exponent to 15, like this. And make sure you do it the same way in both of them. And this is how you factor the easy problem. And if you want to check your work, all you have to do is multiply it back together, like this. Okay, b times b is b squared. Now b times negative 15 is negative 15b. 15 times b is positive 15b. And 15 times negative 15 is negative 225. Now, these two cancel out because they're opposites. Sorry, I forgot to put the b. Okay. b squared, these cancel out, minus 225. And that's what we started with. That means we factored it properly. Hi, it's James again. Now we're factoring using the greatest common factor. When doing that, you do exactly what the title says. You use the greatest common factor. Now, it looks like the greatest common factor is 3. Let's see what we get. When we divide 3x squared by 3, we get x squared. And when we divide 363 by that, we get 1, 2, 1. And now we can factor this even further. So this looks like a difference of squares. So all we need to do is find the square roots. The square root of x squared is x. The square root of 121 is 11. Now we put it in just like we do with easy problems. Two parentheses, one with a plus and one with a minus. And we can't forget to bring the 3 down. When we plug it in, we get x plus 11, or 3 times x plus 11 times x minus 11. And this is what we get. Now we can check it by doing what we usually do with factoring, or with easy problems. X times x is x squared. And then x times negative 11 is negative 11x. 11 times x, positive 11x. 11 times negative 11. 11 times negative 11 is negative 121. These cancel out, and we multiply 3 times x squared, and we get 3x squared. We multiply 3 times 121, and we get 363. just what we started with. That means we did it correctly.
I first multiplied a and c together, which is 6 times 2 equals 12. Then I found the factors that would add up to 8, which is 6 plus 2. Then I added the addends of b to the middle of the trinomial, which is 6x squared plus 2x plus 6x plus 2. Then we found the greatest common factors for 6x squared plus 2x plus 6x plus 2. Then we put in one parentheses 2x plus 2 and the other 3x plus 1.
The problem 4m squared minus 16 is both a greatest common factor and difference of two squares problem. First, find the greatest common factor, which is 4. Then factor out m squared and negative 4. Final step is to factor out m squared and negative 4. Then the final answer is 4 times m plus 2 times m minus 2.